Hello, friends and family. Welcome to part one of the FCE listening paper. This is the multiple choice overview. So let's remember a few things. We're going to look at the strategy you need to answer this question. So how many questions are there? There are 8 questions. You can see 4 here, but there are 4 more. Now, how many texts do you have to listen to? How many audio tracks do you listen to? You listen to 8 in total. This is 1, this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, these 8 are non-relatable. They don't in any way have any kind of relationship with one another. They're random. Okay. And you will have no time to look at all the options. You don't need time. You will see why now. Okay, so there are 3 steps that I want you to apply. The strategy consists of 3 steps. Step 1, 2, and 3. Now, then we will practice them. Now, don't look at the 3 options. You can see what I did here. Cover them. Cover your 3 options. You don't need to look at them now. What you need to look at are the questions. Why is the speaker calling? Why is the speaker calling? The man says the center should. Okay. What you have to do is to underline the keywords of the questions as quickly as you can before the audio starts. So how much time do you need to underline keywords here? Why is the speaker calling? Why calling? There you go. That's done. 2-3 seconds. Okay. Now take some time, underline the keywords. I'll give you 5 seconds to underline the keywords here and here. Great. So here are the keywords. Okay. Why calling? So basically the reason the person is calling. And then in number 2, the man says the center should. What should the center do? Well, recommendation, advice, in other words. So that was step 2. Okay, so basically in step 2, you underline them. Okay, and as soon as you finish underlining them, the audio will start. Okay, so when you listen to the audio for the first track, all you have to remember is why calling. Why is the speaker calling? If you try to remember all these options, you will be distracted. So just focus on why is the speaker calling. Okay, this is still step 2. And what you are going to do is to have an answer to that audio track, to that question. So you don't know what 3 options there are. Okay, you don't know which ones are there. So what you have to do is to have your answer. And later what we will do is we will compare our answer to the 3 options. And hopefully they will match. So step 2, okay. Step 1 is underline everything, underline the keyword. Step 2 is listen and answer without looking at the options. Step 3, uncover the 3 options and look and see if the answer that you wrote down matches one of the 3 options you have here. Okay, so let's do that together. Okay, so part 1, what do? You underline the keywords. Now we're going to listen to the audio track. Get ready to listen. The keyword is why calling. What is the reason for calling? Okay. So you're in step 2. Step 1 was underlining the keywords. Now this is step 2. Listen, please.
You will hear people talking in 8 different situations. For questions 1 to 8, choose the best answer, A, B, or C. Question 1. You hear a message on a telephone answering machine.
Oh, hi, it's me, John. Sorry to miss you. You must have already left for work. Look, I wondered if you wanted to come away for the weekend. There'll be about 10 of us, including someone called Sam Brent, who says he was at college with you, and he remembers that you were brilliant at rock and roll. They've decided it'll be on October the 9th, Friday night till Sunday. Anyway, I'll put the details in the post. I know you're busy at the moment, so don't feel you have to come, but just let me know one way or the other when you can. Talk to you soon. Bye.
Okay, now the question, why is the speaker calling? Okay, so you listen to the audio once. You will have another opportunity to listen to that same piece of audio. But for now, in theory, you should have an answer. So what do you think the answer could be? Why is the speaker calling? Okay, so my answer, what I understood from the audio, was you want to come away for the weekend. Can you come away for the weekend? Don't feel you have to come. That to me is like, yeah, that's my answer. Do you want to come? Okay, come with me. Okay, so I want you to come with me. That's why you're calling. Okay, so we listen to the audio. That's my answer right there. Okay, now we will look at our options. Let's look at the options. Okay, I have three options. Option A, to confirm some arrangements. So I remember I heard something about dates and time, but no, that's not the reason. To issue an invitation, come away for the weekend. Can you come? Come with that's a good match. Invitation and can you come? It's a great match. Okay, or to persuade someone to do something. Is he persuading? Is the speaker? No, I didn't see that he was saying, come on, you have to come. If you don't come, you. No, I heard come, and that's my answer. So I heard everything. I heard the audio once. I wrote down my answer. My answer matches option B. Is that the correct answer? We don't know 100%. I think it is, but we have another opportunity to listen to that audio. And let's see, now that you know the different options too, if that is the correct answer. Let's listen for the second and last time for this specific question.
Oh, hi, it's me, John. Sorry to miss you. You must have already left for work. Look, I wondered if you wanted to come away for the weekend. There'll be about 10 of us, including someone called Sam Brent, who says he was at college with you, and he remembers that you were brilliant at rock and roll. They've decided it'll be on October the 9th, Friday night till Sunday. Anyway, I'll put the details in the post. I know you're busy at the moment, so don't feel you have to come, but just let me know one way or the other when you can. Talk to you soon. Bye.
So that there, for me, can you come, can you come, can you come? He's inviting him. For me, that's clearly option number B. Okay, so now we just looked at that. So basically, that is the strategy you would apply to all 8 of these questions in part 1 of the listening section or the listening paper. Okay, so I'm sure this is a very helpful strategy. Okay, remember not to look at the options. Okay, focus on the question, don't focus on the options. Okay, very good. Let's get ready for the next one. See you soon.